welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are not new here, welcome back. All right, today we're doing a Disneyland height chart. It's a Walt Disney Wednesday, so it has to be Disney themed, right? All right, we're gonna use print and cut vinyl, which you can get on shopantietay.com. Members get 20% off. And it's a really cute height chart. You can do this with a lot of different forms of height chart. You can make your own height chart, but I found this at the Target Happy Spot, commonly known as Bullseye's Playground, but we've changed it to Happy Spot. And I've picked that up and I just used print and cut vinyl. Let's make the actual craft. Let's go. All right, guys, so to start, I print and cutted my HTV. If you want more details on this, I'm coming out with a series called Cricut 101, and I will have all the deets on printable HTV. However, this is just images I found on Google. I did compile them for my members for personal use, but I did find all of these on Google, so that's where you can find them. They're just our favorite rides from Disneyland, and you can do this with Disney World or whatever you want to go to, but I'm going to cut this on printable HTV setting, iron on dark, because that is what we got. That is what you can get on shopantietay.com. We are using the printable HTV from my website, which my members get 20% off of if you're interested in buying some of it. Okay, so we're gonna let the Cricut do its thing. Again, if you want deets on how to use this product more, watch the video specifically on this product. Other than that, we are making a Disneyland height chart, which I wish I created before my kids were tall enough to go on everything, but I didn't. So now I'm making one and I can measure all my little nephews. That's all I have left. All my nieces and nephews are way taller than this whole sign, but I have two little nephews who I can get excited for and take them to Disneyland and let them know, like, hey, we can go again when you're big enough to go on these rides. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull all of these off and set my easy press to the right temperature and get that all ready to go. So I'm going to turn it up to, I think, 350 for 30 seconds. This stuff takes a lot more heat and a lot more time, but that's okay because it's really cool. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in and place my rides wherever they fall. So if you're wondering where they fall, I'll show you in a second where I referenced, but I've got them all ready, and then I'm just gonna start ironing on. I ironed on Incredicoaster first because that's the tallest one, and then I also ironed on the Disney California to the very top. So whatever theme park you guys love, you can do that, or whatever you're trying to grow to be tall enough to do, you can do that. And then we got Indiana Jones. Like, that's another milestone for us Disney lovers. We know that that's like, once you're tall enough to go on Indiana Jones, that used to be the ride, but now Incredicoaster is definitely the ride. So I just went to this website. I can't remember what it is, but I referenced all the heights just to make sure I knew. I did know, but I made sure I know. And you're gonna hit the Matterhorn and Goofy Sky School. Those are gonna be second because you do have to be 42 inches tall for those. So that's another milestone. And then you run into the cluster of the originals where they're all 40 inches. So I kind of overlapped them, and where they kind of like cross overlap is where you have to hit. But you could also do like a little arrow to where they need to be, and then you're good to go.